Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to upload your website on IONOS. We'll cover the two main approaches to get your site online quickly and efficiently. First, we'll look at using an SFTP client, which is a robust method for transferring many files. Then, we'll explore the Web Space Explorer, a convenient browser-based option for smaller updates. By the end, you'll know exactly how to get your website live. To begin with SFTP, you'll first need your SFTP credentials, which are readily available in your IONOS account dashboard. Once you have these, open your preferred SFTP client, like FileZilla or WinSCP, and enter your host, username, and password. After connecting, navigate to your main website directory, often named htdocs or public HTML, and simply drag and drop all your website files from your computer into this folder. This method is ideal for large projects. For a more direct approach, the IONOS Web Space Explorer is a fantastic tool. You can access it right from your IONOS control panel, making it very convenient. Once inside, you'll see your file structure, allowing you to create new folders or upload individual files directly from your browser. This is particularly useful for quick edits or adding a few new images without needing a separate SFTP client. It offers a straightforward way to manage your content. After uploading your files, it's crucial to verify everything is in place. Double-check that all your essential website files, especially your index file, are in the correct root directory. Then, open your web browser and type in your domain name to see your live website. If something isn't right, review your file structure and ensure all paths are accurate. Sometimes, a simple file name correction or moving a file can resolve the issue. Congratulations, your site is now live.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.